What's up, guys? On the channel last time we were talking about this falling wedge for the Ethereum price on this 4-hour chart. I have an update here I'm going to talk to you about just in a moment. We're also going to be covering the Ethereum price on the weekly chart to give some perspective of how the market's looking. I'm going to be giving my opinion on if we're now in a bear market and where the bottom may be. And of course, stay around for the end. We will be taking a look at the Bitcoin price on the weekly chart and a little bit of something extra of a bonus. This chart, which we're going to look at the end of the video, is the market cap of all cryptocurrency. I'm going to show you how that corresponds to the Ethereum price and the Bitcoin price right now. So we're going to kick things off on the Ethereum chart for the 4-hour. I'm going to give you my update here. Just before we get into the content, guys, please do obliterate the like button. Thank you so much. You know, I appreciate it so much. It really does help the channel, guys. So looking at this falling wedge that we've broken to the upside. Okay, we've broken out of it, should I say. I was anticipating, as you do 70 to 80% of the time with a falling wedge like this, that we would break to the upside and at least reach this point of resistance. And it could still happen, but I've actually just exited out of this trade. And the reason I've done that, I'm actually seeing something that looks more likely, and that is a bear flag. I'm treating this now as a bear flag. You can see that we have this obviously falling pattern because we haven't had this rebound and the volume coming in. As you can see, there's been no volume to speak of. To me, it makes more sense of a bear flag. You can see we have the support like this. I'll show you. We have another trend line like so, coming in like this. So to me, it looks more like a bear flag. And of course, out of that bear flag, we have a target, guys, that you can trade out of. So let's look at the target there on the short term. This is what I think is the most likely scenario for now. Of course, we don't know how long the flag will go, but let's assume we do go up to this level of resistance, this $2,715 mark, thereabouts. If that were to happen, worst case scenario, you're going to take the length of this pattern here, and you basically want to do it from this point here up here, and it will give us a target of a very bearish number of around $1,733. But actually, what is interesting about that number, should I say, is if we go over to the weekly chart here, I'm going to show you these support levels, these very crucial levels. So we'll talk about that in a sec. A very quick mention though, guys, do check out my Twitter. Link in the video description below. There's $1,000 up for grabs, you can see here, and follow me. I tweet many times a day news and predictions, funny things as well, I like to think so, as I say. But yeah, at Marzel Money on Twitter, follow me there. Anyway, guys, let's look at the price levels here on the weekly chart, and you'll see that in this 4-hourly chart on the Ethereum price with my target of around 1730 to 1750, it corresponds quite nicely with the VPVR. Now, we don't look at this that often on the channel. I've brought it back. I feel at this point of the market, it will give us some confidence and is very important. You can see this red line. This is our point of control, and it's currently at around $1,800. It's approximate because if I zoom my chart out, the average moves. You see how it moves slightly. Now it's at 1839. If I zoom out even further, it comes down to 1782. So it will move around depending on what section of the chart you're looking at. But whether you zoom out a lot like this, it stays at 1782. If you zoom right in like this, it goes up to 1735. If you zoom even further, about 1800. So it's between 1700 and 1820. It's a very strong support level, and obviously, guys, we have that previous bottom there, a very strong bottom. By the way, guys, quick mention, if you're enjoying the content so far, make sure you're subscribed for my future videos. Turn the bell on so you get all my time sensitive notifications, guys. So my thesis on this is this will most likely play out. Bear flag down to around this level, that 1750 level, maybe 1800 will find some support, and then beyond that, that could be the bottom for us, and I believe that's the most likely scenario for now. I'm going to move on just before we do the whole market cap, which I think is very interesting to look at the cryptocurrency value overall and the downtrend we're in and how that corresponds in terms of support, how that can affect where the best point, should I say, to buy is right now. We're going to quickly take a look at the Bitcoin weekly chart first, guys. Quick mention, if you want to follow my trades, you can do in the Telegram trade signals, guys. Do follow me there. Link down below for free. You can follow the trade signals. You just need to sign up with the BYBIT affiliate link. I get a bonus and you get a bonus up to $4,000 with that link, or if you just wanted to start trading, $4,100 bonus down below. Let's look at this Bitcoin chart, guys, on the weekly. Where are we? Well, you could say we're still in this falling wedge. Some analysts are actually treating this as we've already broken out of this wedge, because actually they were looking at it like that, and we've broken out of it, and that's equally plausible, guys. It really is. Let's leave it like that for so, and say we have broken out of it. Either way, whether we've broken out of it or not, we will remain bearish, because we've broken below that key fib level, that 0.5, and that is 36,500. That was quite a key significant level. The next level you need to consider, and the level I'm targeting now, and the level that I'm shorting Bitcoin down to currently, is the $28,700 level, but I will be starting to take profits at around 31,000, because there is support there as well. But even if you short down to around, let's say 31k, you're still looking at approximately 11.5% gains, guys. So I still believe there's value in the short trade right now. And of course, best place to start trading is on BYBIT, $4,100 bonus down below. Right, before we end this video, I want to show you guys this very interesting chart, which shows the total crypto market cap and where we are currently and where we're likely to go next. In fact, just before I do that, very important mention as well, I want to show you what's going on in the academy with Ethereum. I think you'll be interested to see that. What I want to show you is head coach Kundalini Crypto's recent analysis on the fib levels, just to show you quickly how they correspond with what I'm doing as well. But actually you can see that we've just broken the 0.5 fib level, which is the 2517, and the analysis basically indicates that the most likely outcome is we will come down to that $1,940 level, as I've demonstrated in my TA as well, guys. And if you want to invest in learning how to trade, we basically have a Discord channel which is geared for teaching. It's all interactive video teaching for beginners to intermediates. You can come in and out whenever you like. Discord, you can do it on your phone, on your laptop. It's a great place to learn. Link down below if you want to join our academy and start learning how to trade, become financially free, being able to trade anywhere in the world, guys. So let's quickly move on to this crypto total market cap chart. Currently, the total value of all cryptocurrency, guys, is 1.6 trillion, and we did have an all-time high in November of last year at nearly 3 trillion. In fact, we went at just over $3 trillion. Just to put things into perspective, $3 trillion is a little bit over, well, it's quite a little bit over, but in percentage terms, it's only 500 billion over, but, you know, basically Apple's market cap is 2.6 trillion. We were at 3 trillion. We're now at 1.6 trillion, which is $1 trillion less than the Apple market cap, just to put it into perspective. So in terms of support, what I think is really interesting right now is we do have a trend line. We do have some support actually currently where the trend line is. Sorry, I lost my words there. Where the support is right now, we are on a support line. And also, in addition, you can run a fib level, I mean, from this bottom here to the top as such, and you can see that we're currently supported on this 0.786, and we've broken through the golden pocket. So that could hold, and that applies for the whole crypto market. Obviously, Bitcoin is a major indicator in that, but it will apply to all altcoins as well, guys. So I think we're in a very interesting place. I do think we're close to a bottom anyway. I don't know if we've quite bottomed out yet, and we may stay. The worst case scenario for me, guys, is we kind of go into a bear market and we stay there for a little while. We stay there for a few months before we rally back up, kind of like we did in this point. Look, it May all the way to July, it was like 3-4 months of kind of bearish activity, sideways movement. I reckon that's probably what's likely going to happen, but I think a great time to start dollar cost averaging into the market. If you enjoyed the video, guys, smash up the like button. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed it. Share it. And don't forget, I'm on Twitter @MarsElMoney, and grab your $4,000 for free in crypto down below on BYBIT, and follow my trade signals as well using the link down below. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you on the next one, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.